So hello guys, welcome back to another problem of the day of GFG. So today we are solving the reverse spiral form of a matrix. It is rated medium, and the question states that we are given a 2D array and we have to find the spiral traversal of that matrix. So I guess you have already done the spiral traversal of the matrix. It is just exactly similar to that. At last we have to reverse the container in which we are storing, let it be vector or an array or anything else. Okay, so let's see it with an example. So like here we are given an example, 987654321. So we have to traverse it 98674123665, and then we have to print it in reverse 563214789. Okay, so basically what we have to do is we have to maintain uh, four pointers: top, bottom, right and left. Okay, so let's see it with a bigger example like this one. Okay, so we are having a top pointer that is pointing to the top row, and a bottom pointer that is pointing to the bottom row. Okay, and a right variable that is pointing to the last column, and the left variable pointing to the first column. So first let's understand it with the code side by side. So the while condition, just forget about it for a moment. Let's see how what we have to do first. Basically first we have to print, or we have to store in the vector. Just think about the spiral form: 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 8 12 16. We have to do this. Okay, so we have to put this into the container and then we have to reverse it at last. Here's the reverse part that we have done, and we can find the answer. Okay, so basically we have to first push into the container 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so we have to push the row first into the container. Okay, so we are doing basically we are doing this in this loop. We are traversing from left to right. We have traversing from left to right, and we are going on pushing elements into the vector. And then we do a top plus plus. We are doing a top plus plus because this row is already pushed into the vector, so we have to start from this, from 8 to 16. Then we have to print 8 12 and 16. So we again write a loop, and we traverse from top to bottom we are traversing, and we are keeping the column constant, right? Like right is constant, and we are varying the I that is top to bottom. Okay, similarly here we were keeping the top constant because we have to enter the whole row. So we are keeping the top constant, and we are varying the columns I left to right. Okay, so similarly we have done this, and after pushing 8 12 and 16, what we do is we have to traverse from 15 till 13. 15 14 and 13 we have to push into our vector. So we do a right minus minus. After doing a right minus minus, as right was here, now right after doing right minus minus, right points here. Okay, to this column. So we have to push from right till left. So we are starting from right. Wait, where is it? Okay, we're starting from right and we're going till left, and then we are going on pushing the last row. We are keeping the bottom constant because we have to push all the elements of the last row, and we are varying the right part. Okay, as the right is done minus minus, so we are getting 15 14 and 13 into our vector. Okay, then we do uh, and then what we do is we do bottom minus minus, and then again what we have to do is we have to go up. Okay, we have to, when we go up, we see that 9 5 we have to push in 9 5 9 and 5 only. Okay, so we are starting from the bottom, and we are going till top. Okay, and we what we do is we go on pushing the 9 and 5 into the vector, and we do a left plus plus. So after doing a left plus plus, we are coming here. Then we have to do 6 7 11 and 10. As we can see here, what the while loop, whenever the top is greater than bottom, and or and the left is greater than right, we have to stop the while loop, and we will get the vector in our spiral form, and at last we have to reverse it and return our vector. So that's it. Let's compile and run it. This should be all right. Yeah, it's good. Let's submit it. Yeah, we're good to go.